how to delete account on the Nintendo Switch. So what we want to do is go to System Settings here, just click on System Settings, and then from this section we will go down until we see User. So click on User here, and depending on which account we want to delete, we want to select the user. So for example, right, this one, you will see the Nintendo account, a part of the email that is linked to this Nintendo account. And we can also check the account information, see if it's, the account that we want to delete. Now this will load up a page, so we can view the email address, so on and so forth. So if we want to delete this account, what we want to do is scroll all the way down until we see the option to delete the user. Now, by deleting this user, it will also unlink this account and delete this Nintendo account alongside it. So if we want to delete the account, we will just check this box, continue, and then click on next, and that's gonna delete the account. That's gonna delete the Nintendo account, and that's how we do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.